Here is Sophia speaking. Follow me and I in your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is Flash Fish 200W Portable Power Station, Flash Fish 40, 1800 mAh solar generator with 110V AC outlet / 2 DC ports / 3 USB ports. Multiple charging outputs provide more options. Features with AC/DC/USB outputs. 110 AC output, 200W, 2 DC output, 2 QC 3.0 quick charge USB port and 1 USB ports, 2.4A auto. Power your smartphone, tablet, laptop, camera, light, drones, fans, in-car appliances, CPAP machine, and more at any time. Kindly note that the power station cannot be charged and used at the same time. High performance and handy power source. 151 Wh, 40,800 mAh. Compact station is powerful enough to meet different kinds of electricity demands outdoor usage for home, travel, camping, backseat on long road trips. With a weight of 4.07 lb and soft handle, we can easily put it in our backpack or car, take to everywhere need power. Other unique design. 1. The standalone AC/DC provides easy operation when charging different devices. 2. Multifunction LCD display, which show you the remaining energies /charge/discharge /AC output /DC output status. Ultra bright LCD screen, let you know the status of battery pack, even no light source camping. Triple rechargeable modes efficient solar generator. Flash Fish Power Station is equipped with a lithium battery pack. It can be charged by the 15-24-volt solar panel. Not included, AC wall adapter and car charger efficiently. No memory effect, no worry about battery capacity reduction. Multi-protect and warranty. The generation provides all-round protection to protect you against overcurrent, overvoltage, and overtemperature, ensuring the safety of you and your devices. Flashfish provides our dear customers with warranty of 12 months from the date of purchase and friendly customer service. About 𝐏𝐨𝐫𝐿 advice. For e-commerce company. With millions of active real buyers and users and massive global social media celebrities resources, it is the common choice of tens of thousands of e-commerce sellers. The super cost-effective discount platform, one-stop solution to the problem of outside marketing for sellers. For end customers. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions, and details, which can help customers select goods easily. Every time you make a purchase over the internet, we help you find the perfect products you want with a great discount. Our channel is dedicated to directing and producing videos to help manufacturers and sellers to promote their products, brands, and videos. At the same time, we are looking for a large number of key influencers to bring you more audiences. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.